It's around 11 a.m. May 23rd, 2013, Columbia Falls, Montana. We had a snowstorm last night. It is now turning to rain. Almost tripped down the stairs. Poor horse down there doesn't have any shelter because they didn't expect any snow. And it looks like they're moving its grazing area closer to my house. That's fine, there's plenty of grass there for it. You can barely make out the mountains in the background. There's our fire pit. We had a fire there not too long ago. Been out walking around this morning. Walking around in shorts because it's actually not that cold out here. That's where my van was all night.